Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today I gotta fix the hold down bracket. Someone welded it previously, didn't do a good job. So come along.
Next level.
Let's see how well we can do with connecting that back together. Well, we're all set. This will be my first attempt at welding uphill with this. I do not have a good enough ground. I do not have a good enough ground. Alright, we got the clamp on. Trim our wire down. Let's go. All right, let's take a closer look. I think I was moving a little too fast. Well, I apologize for the crappy camera work on this. It's gonna hold. So, thanks for watching. Come back, we'll find lots of other things yet I gotta fix. Hopefully it'll improve the camera work a lot more too. That was part of my son's helping out.